In this video, I'm going to show how to make one of the most popular cakes. The best part, every single thing in this video will not disappoint you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Mimi Wahida from MC to Photocopy. And if you're looking for easy recipes to make a homemade cake, you will love this video. Also, I will share some secret principles of public relations that we can get from baking. Wanna know? Just keep watching. As you can see, we must try the ingredients first before we start baking because it can help save the entire batch. So, my first analogy is the importance of measuring. In baking, we must make sure the ingredients must be in a specific ratio to each other in order to function correctly and produce the desired flavor or texture. Leaving out a critical ingredient could result in a sloppy mess rather than fine rising cake. In preparation, it is very critical to have measurement in place and a balanced approach of the ingredients in the PR plan or strategy to produce the desired outcome. The best outcomes are produced when effective measurements are in place.
Second, the right mixing of the ingredients. Incorporating the ingredients into a dough or batter is not just a matter of throwing them all into a bowl and mix them around. It is very important to use the right mixing technique to produce desired effect. Ingredients must be mixed in the right way while following recipe. Alright, same goes to public relations. The way they incorporate the different elements of a plan or strategy is very important in achieving desired effect and can vary depending the complexity of the project or issue at hand. A balanced and measured approach to ensure that just the right plan of those components is implemented will improve the outcome. Alright, my last point is the leavening agent. Whether it is eggs, yeast, or baking powder, some form of leavening agent is needed in most baked goods to make them rise, puff up, or expand. This process creates structure in the product, increasing volume and affecting texture.
In the business, the leavening agent allows a company to grow or expand its reputation, its credibility. As for public relations, the effectiveness of the PR plan or strategy is ensuring that this key agent is not only part of the receipt but also one of the most desired outcomes. Without the governing agent of reputation or credibility, the results will be flat. All done. But remember, PR is more important than ever. Social media reviews are very essential. Also, everything I need to know about PR, I can learn in the kitchen, baking. By understanding those principles, you can be a great cake maker and an excellent PR practitioner. Okay, now I want to turn it over to you guys. Can you see the connection between PR and baking, right? And did you want to try it today to capture the heart of your loved ones? If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Wanna share some thoughts about PR or baking with me and the audience? Just let me know by leaving a comment below. Moist chocolate cake melts in your mouth. PR Pro melts in your heart. I'm Mimi Wahida. See you again.